Namaste everybody, welcome to Yoga Therapy. Good to see you all. Sit, sit comfortably. Relax yourself. Take a comfortable position. Fingers should be chin mudra. Close your eyes. Bring awareness on your whole body. Make sure no stress in your muscle. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Make sure breathing in your control. Feel inner peace. Keep watching your breath. Do not generate any new thought. Surrender your emotions. Feel your mind, body, and breath in your control. Ready for chant. Hand in paired position. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri, Guruve Namah. Tvameva Mata, च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव, त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव, त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. शांति शांति शांति. Carefully release your hand. Keep closing your eyes. Gently eyes open. Release your legs. Relax. Sit in diamond. Big toe together. Sit between the ankle and hip. Relax yourself. If you have block, you can use your block. Place the hand in front of your navel. Inhale. Look up. Focus about your entire thyroid area. Do not engage cervical spine. Exhale. Look down. Give it the extension on the cervical spine region. Inhale, look up. Carefully both arms parallel to the ground. Engage the both hands. Adjust the collar. Lose the entire shoulder blade area, trapezius region. Exhale, roll. Lower back, middle back, upper back, nicely you can use. Do not strain yourself. Stay as much as you can. Then breathe in gently, extended, entire tailbone, sit bone, adjust, stretch the arm. Focus about your entire outer oblique. Do not tense your neck. Keep looking up. Gaze between the arm or simply look ceiling side. You are working on the entire lower spine area. Give the nicely extension. When you're done, exhale. Again roll. Place the hand toward the knee side and stay here. Give massage to your abdominal part. Get extension on the entire thoracic and lumbar area. Don't tense your butt. Inhale back. Look forward. Exhale. Both knees separate. Place the finger toward the internal thigh side. Adjust the right abdominal, left abdominal and hip area. Look front. According to your requirement, hand adjust. Breathe in. Look up. Prepare for lion. Breathe out. Tongue out. Inhale. Close mouth. Exhale. Roll. One more time. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. In a closed mouth, exhale. Roll. In a look forward, exhale. Right hand little bit front. Adjust the wrist and collar part. Contact the whole left abdominal, right abdominal. Carefully go left. Engage the whole external right area and gently stretch the left lungs, right lungs. Watch the left finger. Stay there. Natural breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. While you're done, inhale back. Change the side. Use the proper left hand. Right hand support. Left ribs adjusted. Carefully. Exhale. Focus about your entire outer part of your left iliac crest. Contact the whole right iliac crest and try get extension on the whole left chest, right chest. Stay there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale back. Exhale, elbow drop. Look forward. Rotate your abdominal part and nicely walk front. Drop the chest and chin. Adjust the whole pelvic area. Don't tight. Relax here. Focus about your internal thigh. Get nicely stretched on the reproductive organs. Inhale, carefully lifted. Exhale, elbow drop. Nicely come cat variation. Lower abdominal, middle abdominal adjusted. Carefully roll. Breathe out. Give the nicely stretch on the whole spinal cord. Breathe in, look forward. Feel engagement on your back muscle. Get extension on the whole frontal part of your belly. Exhale, roll. Inhale, look front. Now gently left leg raise. Contact the whole entire shoulder blade area. Give the power on the arms and shoulder part. Extension feel on the whole left part. Engage the internal left thigh. Exhale, roll. Bend the left knee and try. One more time. Breathe in, lift. Engage the entire left internal thigh, all the outer thigh. Exhale, roll. Inhale, look forward, hand support carefully. Come to the low lunge, left leg between the arm, right ab, left ab adjusted. Relax the whole pelvic floor, loose the collar area, nicely, arms lifted. Look ceiling side. Advanced practitioner, arm nicely control and engage the shoulder blade and hold. Your main focus on the pelvic floor, all the thigh muscles. Don't tight your neck, stay there. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When you done, look front, exhale, right hand on the ground. Carefully bend the right knee. Support of your left hand, catch the outer part of your right foot, open the chest and gently force the right foot near to your hip. Hold it. Inhale, exhale. Work on the entire right thigh, left thigh. Counter pressure feel on the both thigh muscles. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. While you're done, breathe in, look forward. Breathe out, drop the right. Carefully, left hand drop. Then straight the left leg. Either lift the foot or touch the foot is up to you. Right shin, left shin in your control. Look front. Breathe in, breathe out. Those can both arm lifted. Those can't, hand on the ground. You can choose your option and stay here. Focus about your entire left calf. Get extension on the inner thigh. Engagement feel on the left thigh. Hold here. When you're done, exhale, hand drop. Inhale, exhale, left leg parallel to the ground. Natural breath. Contact the whole pelvic floor. Left big toes and foot area nicely adjusted and pull nicely backside. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're done, inhale. Exhale, left knee bended. Inhale, look up. Slowly. You're working on the whole back. Get the stretch on the entire chest region, all the lungs part, ab area. When you're done, exhale, look down. Slowly. Left heel and foot on the ground. Sit over the right heel. Big toes and foot adjusted. Raise the arm. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, look front. Exhale, bend the elbow. Relax the shoulder part. Carefully hip up. Left leg forward. Maintain the 90-degree angle. Then carefully twist the left. Work on the whole right outer oblique. Then arm parallel to the ground and go deep. Carefully. Keep stretching. Keep stretching. Inhale, come center, arms up. Come high lunge. Right butt, left butt adjusted. Hand engaged. Control shoulder part. Hold it. Upper back, lower back in your control. Switch the pressure. Entire left foot, shin and thighs area. Get counter pressure on the joints leg. Hips should be square. When you're done, exhale, hand drop. Look forward, come plank. Between the leg have some gap. Flat your back. Hold it. Those can leg together and stay here. Then breathe out. Drop the knee. Relax the pelvic floor. Carefully. Ashtanga Namaskar. Chest chin nicely press. Those can't elbow on the ground. Stay here. You're working on the hand, chest, all the knees and foot. Then breathe out, drop the belly, all the thigh. Cobra, inhale. Look up. Focus about your entire inner part of your thighs. Lift the pelvic little bit from the ground and give deeper pressure over the thighs and hip, not the lower back. When you're done, exhale, look down. Inhale. Carefully come to the cat. Roll. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Come down dog through exhalation. Toes, foot, knees, calf, all the hand in your control. Equal pressure on the both sides. Head between the arm. You want to watch, then watch between the legs. Advanced practice may watch the belly. Inhale, look front. Exhale, come plank. When you're ready, come up dog. Breathe out. Through inhalation, look up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, knee grounded. Both elbow, forearm on the ground. Relax yourself. Roll. Breathe out. Then breathe in. Look front. Right leg lift. Exhale. Bend the right knee and roll. Right thigh closer to your stomach. Work on the whole stomach area. Massage your all the belly part. Breathe in. Lift the right leg. Look forward. One more time. Exhale. Roll. Inhale. Look front. Hands support nicely. Come to the low lunge. Place the right leg between the arm. Left thigh, calf part, hip area adjusted. When you're ready, either use the left foot if you have hip difficulty, or you can drop the left foot. Carefully arms up. Gain the proper pressure, entire inner thigh side, all the leg joint side. Carefully. You are working on the whole pelvic floor. Look up. Those wanted, nicely you can press the hand backward and try. Look up. You can then watch little bit backside. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. When you're done, inhale, look front. Exhale, left hand drop. Carefully use your right hand, bend the left knee, catch the outer part of your left foot. Carefully press and press the whole thigh, all the left area, and open the chest region. Look right. Natural breath. Do not strain yourself. Keep pressing the right and left thigh. Counter pressure on the both thigh. When you're done, exhale, release, look forward. Carefully, right leg straight, left shin and foot adjusted. You can't use the block under the right foot or lift the right foot, is up to you. Length your back. You wanted arms raised or hand drop. Stay there. Focus about your inner part of your right calf, right thigh. Get deeper stretch on the hamstring. Stay there. Exhale, release hand. Relax shoulder. Carefully breathe out. Right leg parallel to the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're ready, exhale. Bend the proper right knee. Inhale, look up. Nicely press. Exhale, roll. Relax the whole neck area. Give the massage on the belly. Extension feel on the spinal cord. When you're done, inhale, look forward. Exhale, right heel and foot drop. Switch the pressure over the left heel and foot. Relax yourself. Raise your arm. Bend the elbow. Collar resting mode. Natural breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. When you're ready, inhale. Lift. Right leg. Left leg adjusted 90-degree angle. Through exhalation, go right side and open your arms. Focus about your left pelvic area, left iliac crest region. Give the extension, internal part totally massage. Feel inner rotation on the left thigh. Don't disturb your right too much. When you're done, inhale back, arms up. Relax collar, look forward. Prepare for high lunge. Exhale. Left leg totally adjusted, left knee locked. Switch the pressure, right foot, right inside. Hips should be square. Gain power on the right shin, right foot area. Extension on the whole left leg. Relax yourself. You want, you can look up. You don't, look forward. It's up to you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. When you're ready, gently hand drop. Come plank. Look forward. Advanced practitioner, legs together, and then you can try. Concentrate on the entire stomach. Feel internal hip totally engaged. Exhale, drop knee, Ashtanga Namaskar. This time both hand front. Lift the foot. Stay here. You can't, no need. Work on the chest and chin. Keep inhaling. Keep exhaling. Keep inhaling. Keep exhaling. When you're ready, exhale, drop. Nicely, chest up, chin up. Look forward, then left arm raise. Then start exhalation, force the left arm left side, look left. Inhale back, exhale, drop. Adjust the collar, sacral area, change, right arm up. Inhale, exhale, go right side. Focus about your left back muscles. Inhale back. Exhale, hand drop, look forward. Then both arms raise and lift the leg. Gain power on the middle part of your belly. All the back area adjusted. Stay here, leg lifted. Raise the leg. Exhale back. Relax the whole back area. Come to child. Inhale, come back, look forward, cat posture. Roll, breathe out. Pelvic floor, entire lumbar area, thoracic part, cervical spine adjusted and pressed. Work on the foot, all the shin, engage the inner thigh, hold it. Inhale, look up. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, tuck your hip. Carefully come plank. Then bend left, little bit side. Switch the pressure, outer right foot, right hand region. Gain the power over the right arm. Left gently stretch. If you have wrist difficulty, any elbow problem, drop the forearm. Those can't, you can skip this. When you're done, exhale back, come to the plank, look front, change, bend right, side, left foot, left hand adjusted, nicely, arms raised. You wanted, you can press arm over the head. Power feel on the entire left hand, left shoulder, extension feel on the internal oblique. When you're done, exhale back, plank. Look forward, natural breath. Come up dog. Through exhalation, foot adjust, inhale. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look front. Exhale, left leg between the arm. Right foot 45 degree. Carefully both arm back side and nicely you can stretch. You can't elbow bended and press over the back. Other option, hand on the ground. Choose your option. Don't tense your left knees. Lock the left knee. Work on the outer oblique. Natural breath. When you're done, inhale, look forward. Exhale, hand over the waist. Push the pelvic floor nicely toward the chest side. Then gently inhale, stand up. Walk in. Lift the right. Use the left hand. Catch the right knee. Then use right hand. Hold it. Extension feel on the outer left area. Massage feel on the internal right. Gain balance. Come tree. Focus about your whole left leg. Either namaste, either elbow bended or gently raise. Collar totally light. While you're done, exhale, right leg one step back. Loose the collar. Then press the both hand behind the hip. Right foot 45 degree. Internal hip totally engaged. Don't disturb the pelvic too much. Inhale, look back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, hand below the navel. Pelvic adjusted. Switch the pressure over the lap. Then nicely both arms, side of the hip. as much as you can extend. Deeper. Now exhale, hand drop. Right leg, heel area adjusted. Left leg lift. Nicely hold it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, left knee bended. Right little bit out, right heel up. Drop the left shin between the arm and drop the right thigh, right foot. Look up. Carefully arms raised. Exhale, hand drop. Prepare for pigeon. Left shin thighs area, right shin thighs area adjusted. Switch the pressure left shin and left thigh side. Don't tight your knees. Hold here. Relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Feel internal rotation on the inner part of your left thigh. External part of your thigh totally extend. Right totally massage. Come double pigeon. Sit comfortably. Namaste. Eyes closed. Then open your eyes. Hand support internal thigh adjusted. Rotate sideways and nicely flat your back and press. You are working on the outer part of your butt. Get lengthening on the internal oblique. Hand drop. You can drop the forehead. You can't elbow drop or take the block and press the forearm over the block. Stay here. Inhale, come back, sit. Right hand under the knee, carefully lift and press over the left. Ardha Chandrasana. Beginner use the left arm, hug simply. Advanced practitioner over, and then you can twist the right. Outer left part, inner right part, keep watching. Inner back. Exhale, left leg straight, Janu Sirasana. Right heel near to the inner part of your left thigh. Left foot totally engaged. Big toe pointing chest side. Little bit walk forward. So first of all, hip muscles, sit bone adjusted. Use right hand. Grab the outer part of your left heel. As much as you can extend the right. And left hand over the foot and hold here. Look forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. While you're done, exhale, hand drop, go front. Inhale, come back. Bend left knee. Right hand under the thigh. Left hand press the ankle side. Carefully, left shin on the ground. Right arm lifted. Left hand little out. Exhale, carefully. Inner left thigh carefully adjusted. Stretch the right. You are okay. Then use the both hand, interlock finger and hold it. Other option, bend elbow. Other option, grab the right wrist. Choose your option. Stretch. Get deeper extension on the right. Massage your left iliac area. Inhale back. Exhale. Hand drop. Cat posture. Roll. Inhale, look forward. Carefully pelvic floor adjusted. Left leg nicely lift. Right arm side of the ear and hold. And through exhalation, right elbow drop. Right foot right side. Carefully grab the left toe and pull up. Beginner use the towel. Stretch. Release. Come cat. Down dog, breathe out. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Leg change, right leg between the arm. Left foot 45 degree. Parshvottanasana. Again do the same thing what you did with the left side. Either hand friend or bend elbow or hand engage. You can choose your option and try. Give the massage to your whole upper back area, shoulder blade region. Get extension on the inner right thigh. Hold it. Natural breath. Inhale. Exhale. Advanced practitioner, go deep. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're done, inhale, look front. Exhale, hand over the waist. Left toes and foot adjusted. Rotate your ab area. Carefully stand up. Arms raised. Walk in. Lift the left. Use right hand, grab the left knee, adjust. When you're ready, use the left hand also. So, internal left hip carefully adjusted. Iliac part totally control, right totally extend. Massage all the left part. When you're done, breathe out carefully. Come to the tree posture. Relax yourself. Either namaste, either arms raise or bend elbow. Choose your option. Stay here. Do not strain your knees area. Body weight, heel, foot and big toes region divided. Balance, stamina, power, feel on the leg. Mind strength. Calm yourself. Exhale, left leg one step back. Then hand behind the hip. Adjust the pelvic area, inner right thigh, arch, inhale. Inhale, come back. Interlock finger, press the hand below the navel. Start exhalation, switch the pressure over the right. Rotate internal left thigh inside and stretch the hand. Both arms side of the ear. Look forward, flat your back. Look front. Look front. Exhale, hand drop. Left leg adjust. Raise the right leg. Hips should be square mode. Right knee totally locked, left knee locked. Hold here, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend the right knee. Left foot adjusted. Raise the left heel. And slowly drop between the arms. Left shin, left thigh adjusted. Carefully. Easy option. Use the two block from the side and try. Work on the whole inner part of your pelvic floor. Give the massage the lower back. Exhale, hand release. Come to pigeon. Left foot, left knees, left internal buttock area adjusted. Relax yourself. Gain the balance and power over the both thigh. Don't strain your right knee. Stay here normally. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're ready, exhale. Come double pigeon. If you can't drop the knee over the right foot, then use the towel. Adjust the whole foot area. Gain the deeper pressure and stay naturally. Namaste. Eyes closed. Look forward. Use the both hand, inner thigh adjusted. Flat your back and carefully. If you have lower back pain, don't drop the head. Gently, gently, slowly. Drop the forehead. Give massage to your internal thigh, external totally extended and stretch. Stay naturally. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come back. Sit. Use the left hand under the knee. Carefully. Left heel and foot over the right. Right heel closer to your internal part of your left hip area. Gently drop. Either simply from outside you can grab or arm over. Ardha Chandrasana. If you have neck injury, no need to twist the neck. Carefully look forward. Those can look left. Advanced practitioner, hand force the back side and try. In a comeback. Exhale, right leg straight. Prepare for Janu Sirasana. Sit comfortably. Or you can fold the towel, place near to the inner right thigh and then press the right hip. Adjusted, left heel adjusted, length your back, left hand and then right hand nicely. Use the left hand, carefully grab the outer right heel. Inhale, stretch, look forward. Rotate your entire ab area and adjust the pelvic and sit bone. Look front. Now use right hand over the foot. Stay here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Work on the whole buttock, all the hip. Massage the internal reproductive part. Now exhale. Hand drop. Chest, chin, head press. In a comeback, sit, bend right, carefully, support of right hand and left hand, adjust the right shin and foot, Sit comfortably. Right hand little bit out. Left arm raised. Collar resting mode. Exhalation. Do not hunch your back. Press the front chest forward. Either interlock finger, grab the wrist or bend elbow or take towel, up to you. Inner back. Exhale, release. Come cat. Roll. Inner look forward. Right leg carefully straight. Left arm. Hold there. Minimize the pressure neck side. Counter pressure on the left part, right part. Then exhale. Drop the left forearm, left foot, left side. Bend the right knee. Grab the big toe. Pull up. Easy option, use the small towel and try. Exhale, release. Cat posture. This time use the fingertip. Sit bone, hip area adjusted. Exhale, roll. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll. Inhale, carefully arms raised. Nicely. Inner thigh adjusted, foot adjusted. Variation of camel. Carefully inhale. Easy option, simply press the hip and try. Focus about your diaphragmic part, lungs area. Inner back. Exhale, Virasana. Roll your back. Inner look forward. Relax your collar. Carefully. Lie down on your belly. Left arm shoulder level, leg together. Then right hand support, switch the pressure over the left. Then use the both hand, engage and try. Advanced practitioner, knee bended and then you can hold it. Beginner, no need to try. Look up. You don't want to look up, look down. When you're done, come back, exhale. Change. Right arm shoulder level. Switch the pressure right side. Use the left hand or you can take the towel. Hold here. Beginner normal try. Carefully, advanced practitioner, bend your knees and then you can hold it. Exhale, release. Elbow on the ground, chest up, look forward. Separate the leg. Inner ankle on the ground. Then both arm cross. Choose any arm, right and left. Look down. Collar, neck area nicely massage. Extension feel on the external shoulder blade. Inner look front, change, exhale. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release the hand. Carefully switch the pressure inner thigh side and come front. Bend the knee. Bend the knee. Look up. Breathe in, breathe out. You can use the block under the pelvic floor or take the towel under the inner knees area and try. Look up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. When you're done, breathe out, hand support. Carefully come Malasana. Catch toe or hand under the foot or Namaste. You can choose your option. Relax yourself. Inhale, look up. Collar totally light. When you're done, inhale, look forward. Exhale, hand release. Drop the hip. Hug your legs. Look down. Breathe out. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Right heel and foot little bit front. Carefully left leg lifted and stretch. Gently bend over the right. Grab the right foot. Look up. Beginners, simply hug your left foot and knees area and try. Advanced practitioner, grab the right foot and try. Look up. Flat your back. Exhale, release. Roll your back. Inhale, come back, change leg, grab the right. Sit bone and resting. Lose the collar, breathe out. If you have tight hamstring, knee bended. You don't want to look up, then simply watch the scene. Carefully. Exhale, bend. Beginner, simply hug. Advanced practitioner, arm over. Grab the proper left foot, right foot under the armpit. Length your back, look up. You are releasing the stress from the entire back. Massage your whole pelvic, reproductive, all the digestive area. Exhale, release. Roll. In a look forward, sit bone adjusted, come boat. Breathe out, drop, sit bone adjusted, hand little bit away from your hip. Purvatasana variation. If you have shoulder injury, wrist pain, don't try. Use the entire hip muscles and hold it. Exhale, drop. Carefully, leg straight. Between the leg have some gap. According to hip adjusted, loose the collar. Grab your foot or take the towel up to you. Look forward. Right abdominal, left abdominal adjusted. Carefully, as much as you can, press the entire external hip, massage the whole inner thigh. Look up. Look up. Then exhale, grab the heel from outside, press the head between the legs. come back. Exhale, relax leg. Bend the knee. Lie down on your back. Right sacral, left sacral adjusted. Heel little away from the hip. Hand grounded. And only lift your hip. Do not switch the pressure over the shoulder too much. Hip up, hip up, hip up. Engage the inner thigh and hold here. Give massage to your whole lumbar area. Don't tight your neck. Work on the whole hip, all the foot. Stay there. Exhale, drop. Simply thigh closer to your stomach, grab the knee. One more time, breathe out, drop the heel and foot, adjust the sacral part, hand grounded, carefully. Again, hip up. Do not switch the pressure, neck or shoulder side too much. Force the body weight over the heel and foot. Keep pressing the hip. So feel your waistline parallel to the shoulder, higher, and hold here. Inner hip totally rotate inside and hold. Exhale, back. Carefully press the thigh closer to your stomach. And gently heel and foot drop. Use the elbow, lift upper body. Look forward. Drop the proper both internal and external thighs area. Adjusted. Nicely inhale, look back. Or you can take block under the upper back area and try. Slow. Advanced practitioner, head drop. Focus about your entire diaphragm, lungs part, massage your whole the back. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, thigh connected, relax the waist. Then gently drop the proper center of your back, hug. Exhale, release the hand, arm shoulder level. Carefully go right side, look left side. Massage your pelvic floor, belly area, lumbar region. Inhale, come back. Change, exhale. Look right. If you have neck injury, look ceiling side. You can then look totally right side. Don't strain your neck. Focus about your below the navel. Inhale, come back. Exhale, rotate your waistline sideways. Simply grab the seat, head is still on the ground. Relax your entire belly. Breathe out, arms release, legs relax. Savasana. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Bring awareness in your body. Carefully relax the neck. Move neck right and left. Neck together. Engage the hand and exhale stretch. Exhale, raise down. Bend. Turn right. Sit. Choose a comfortable position. Left hand in the chin mudra. Bend the right elbow. Place the proper middle and pointer finger between the eyebrow. Ready for Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Close the right nostril. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Carefully release the hand. Both hands front of the neck. Keep eyes closed. Feel calmness, relaxation on the whole body. Within your control. Feel the difference before practice and after practice. Breathe in, breathe out, rub in. Carefully massage the eyes. Do not strain your eyes. Slowly massage your face. And carefully loose hand. Watch your hand. Slowly, slowly release from your eyes. Gently. Thank you. Shisha.